Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And as advertised, this is not the video you're expecting. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Essex, England, and my friend Dina came over with a car that had some pretty terrible headlights. I'm Pete. For the past 20 years I've been crashing, repairing, modifying and selling all sorts of vehicles as they kind of come into my possession. I do all of the work myself in my humble little garage at the end of my driveway. I have no super expensive tools in my workshop, which means you guys can follow along, pick up the same sets of tools and just give it a go. And you know, the motto here is just be brave, have some courage and just get on and give it a go. So let's get on and see what Dina brought. So as always, we start by washing the car because it's really difficult to work on a car when it's dirty. A good rinse with clean water, and one of the things I like to use, as I can show, is one of these grit guards. Shag pile cloth for rinsing, and the chamois leather for just drying it off ready for action. The dual action polish I'm going to use to repair these headlights comes with 4 different compounds and the associated discs. We're actually going to use the red, the yellow and the green, so 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, I haven't yet used number 4, which is the very high gloss finish. So the red pad and a bit heavy compound, 5 dots on the wheel, spread that around on setting 3. You can see there's no pressure being applied to the machine's actually doing all the work by itself. We turn it up to number 6 and then we just get on with it. As it's warm outside and it's quite sunny, we can add a little water which just keeps the compound working. And a quick wipe over then before we move on to the second stage, the next cutting compound. So on we go to stage 2, we add the yellow pad. Same method as before. We'll take 5 dots of the cutting compound number 2, and we'll crack on again. And another buff over before we move on to the third and final stage for this particular headlamp. We're going to use cutting compound number 3 this time. Same process, on with the pad, 5 spots, and off we go again. and the very last final buff up. And there we have it, folks. One completely restored headlamp in less than 30 minutes. Remember guys, if you like what you see on my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified when new content goes up, hit the bell button too. Don't forget to give the video a like, and if you have any comments, things you want to see differently, too fast, too slow, whatever, it doesn't matter, good or bad, you know, haters gonna hate, right? So leave comments, subscribe, hit that bell button. I'll see you on the next one. And there we have it guys, the end of this impromptu episode. I hope you found it useful, and for me, actually using the DAS Pro for something I wasn't expecting was really rewarding. And of course now Dina drives away with headlights that she can actually see during the night, but the car looks stunning compared to what it did when it turned up in the workshop. So, you know, enjoy the rest of your weekend folks, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.